Tula means balance. People are always looking for two things, happiness and peace. And the external world will not be able to give you that. You need to also look at inwardly. Throughout my life, I've always asked, what is the purpose in my life? How do I give back to this world? I achieved so much in my professional career. Generations should benefit out of my existence in this world. And Tula is a culmination of my last 30 years of various experiences. So what made me who I am is my 5-year stint in Manipal University. That's where I really went out of the closed atmosphere to an open world. The calling came when I was 22 years old. I happened to visit a place called Auroville in Pondicherry. And it's a people from all over the world came and created this beautiful 3,000 acres of sanctuary. What you see in Tula is inspired by the concept of Auroville. That is oneness. We are all one in this world. We are part of the nature. And that was the philosophy of Sri Aurobindo. I told myself at that time, one day when I make money, I wanted to rebuild this dream. And Tula is a gift from India to the world. So this land was an old spinning mill, and it given employment to many, many thousands of people. The pool, which is in Tula, is the starting point of the factory, and the other side is a viewpoint, was the end of the factory. And I said, this was the energy center for so many thousands of people's lives. And I said, oh my God, there should be water there, and that energy should continue to bless this land. These two trees have stood here for centuries. When I first saw them, I just knew Tula had to be built around them. Every space in Tula follows the nature. There's no sharp edges, no corners. It's just the curves, the way the nature flows. And that is the way Tula is designed across this 30 acres of sanctuary. Concept of Tula is a clinical wellness. Modern medicine helps us to diagnose the root cause of the problem. And once we understand the problem, we bring in the Eastern way of treatment, which is Ayurveda, the clinical yoga, the Tibetan medicine, and we combine this integration for healing purposes for the guest in Tula. So integration is basically using the advanced science of modern medicine and bringing the Eastern wisdom and healing knowledge of the East to combine together and creating this magic in Tula. We are, as human beings, we are connected through energies. We are nothing but vibrations of the universe. And Sonarium is created with sound healing. We create different frequency of sound and make you to reach to the alpha level, where you become very calm. You come inside, you immediately go into the treatment through the different sound frequencies. And there's an hydraulic bed with the vibroacoustic speakers attached to it, and we start the process in that bed. Vedanta is the ancient scripture of India. It's a science of life. Also, to bring in the spiritual and the mental health, we need to bring in Vedanta into the whole program. And it will actually bring the right balance in your thinking. Ayurveda has been in the existence for 5,000 years or plus. We reimagine the way we can be delivered. And that is where the idea of Vichy bed started. without compromising the old rich heritage which has been there. It's the delivery which was changing the experience. Today, that bed is one of the finest invention of Tula. Clinical yoga is aligning your body, aligning your spine. Yeah, we have 7 chakras in our body. Normally, when you align these chakras, you will get the best energy sources. And most of the time, energies are stuck in one form or the other. We are using clinical yoga to remove or release this energy and elevate it to the next consciousness. Movement is an essential part for everyone. From the clinical yoga, when we align your body, you can move better. And Tula, it's all about moving. So in my life, everything is about play. My wish is, I should be playing tennis or a paddle or a pickle with my great-grandchildren. When you give, you get. This has been told by every spiritual books you read, but it's hard for people to experience that. And this is what we are teaching in Tula. You need to give to the nature. You need to give to the people. You are part of the nature, and you will see that how happiness is coming to you. I've been giving unconditionally to the people, to myself, and I've been getting it from the world.